Welcome back, Stellar Chefs. Today we're going to be cooking chicken hibachi.
We're going to start off with cutting up the chicken. Always make sure to wash your hands before and after you handle chicken.
Next we're going to add some spices of your choice. Today we picked garlic powder and Montreal chicken. Get a nice little bit in here. Make sure you guys do both sides of it as well. Next, turn your stove on to medium to high heat and pour butter or olive oil, your choice, in. Make sure you get it a little lathered up in there. Next, put your chicken in the pan. Cook your chicken until it's about brown on both sides, and then when you're thinking about it, make sure you cut a piece up and make sure there's no pink in there.
Now you want to take your rice out of the box and put 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of water to make 2 servings.
Now take your 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of water and put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Once the chicken is done, we're going to put the stove to a low simmer and we're going to put some soy sauce in. Should be good.
So next what you want to do is just put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, coat it up, and then get your bag of mixed vegetables. We have broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots in here, and just throw it in the bag. Throw it in the pan, and let that cook for a little while. So next, just season it up. You have salt. Don't put too much because there's still soy sauce that we need to put in there, and then garlic powder. And then let that cook up.
I'm going to throw in some soy sauce in there. Just get the little flavor in a little bit. Let it saute. You want that nice little sizzle when you're cooking this.
Now we're going to make the eggs. And then just whisk it up and then put it in the pan with butter in it.
Once you have your yolks in the bowl, we're going to mix it up so it gets a liquidy paste. We threw some butter in there. And now we're just going to put our eggs right in here. Let that sit until it hardens up, and then we'll give them a little scramble. When you're cooking the eggs, it's really your personal preference, but us Stellar Chefs like to put a little salt in there. Should be good. Everything's cooked up, and now it's just time to mix it all in. First, we'll start with the chicken. Throw some eggs in there. Our plate of rice. We're gonna add a little more soy sauce to get the rice nice and brown. Now it's stirring time.
So now we're just going to stir it. We're just going to mix it all together. Flip it, make it even. Now that it's all stirred, it's ready to plate up and eat.
Thank you for tuning in today to Stellar Chefs, and we hope you enjoy your meal.
Have a great day.